Hi, my name is Muhammad Ajab bin Azmi and I will be presenting on the definition of the user interface. So let's move on. The definition of user interface, or will be known as UI, is the point of human interaction and communication in a device. This can include display screens, keyboards, a mouse, and the appearance of a desktop. It is also the way through which a user interacts with an application or a website. So the growing dependence of many business on web applications and mobile applications has led many companies to place increased priority on UI in an effort to improve the user's overall experience. Besides that, it also consists of information output from the machine as well as sets of control elements for the users to perform certain actions. And then these interactions, it will enable an efficient systems where machine aid the user's decision making process, and in turn the user can effectively operate it. And last but not least, make it self this user interface make it self-explanatory and user friendly so that users can quickly achieve the desired results.
Hi, my name is Safif and I'll be talking about the menu-driven interface. So a menu-driven interface lists menu choices that user can select to navigate from one place to another within a website or a software program. It is basically an easier way of navigating the devices and programs that we interact with on a daily basis. So the menu-driven interface employs a series of screens, or known as menus, that allow users to make choices about what to do next on the program. And a menu-driven interface differs greatly from a command line interface, and it is much preferred for their simplicity and user-friendly properties. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sadrishwariya. There are some advantages of using menu-driven interface. The menu-driven interface is extremely easy to use. Even for someone who has never seen the interface before, can work out with what to do. It is not necessary to remember a long list of manuals, commands, and also there are no commands to learn or to remember to use a menu-driven interface. The menu-driven interface also got some disadvantages. The menu-driven is purely designed menu interface, which has limited menu options with sub-menus which might be difficult to find. For example, the command a user wants to use is buried into 5 sub-menus deep. Also, the menu-driven interface often requires to access multiple menu screens to perform a simple task. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Chitra. Today I want to talk about features and examples of menu-driven interface. What is the features of menu-driven interface? Features of menu-driven interfaces are easy to use as the user does not have to remember sets of commands, and also they are user friendly that we can often guess the way around the options. It can also be troubling if there are too many levels of menu to be moved around. Let's also have examples of menu-driven interface. We use mobiles and other screen devices on a daily basis. These devices is our life. On these devices, we can see some menus that help us perform any task. We can perform different tasks on mobiles like checking the weather, making a phone call, reading the emails, and etc. The screen of mobile guides us by showing different menus. We can define the screen as the interface, and the screen which has different menus to perform action is known as a menu-driven interface. Any software or app we use on computer and mobiles has menus. Like in most of the software we see the top menu bar. If we click on any menu in the toolbar, then the drop down menu appears. For example, to save a document in any software, we first click on the file menu and then click on the save. I already described some of the examples of menu-based interface, and some of them are like game console, ATMs, websites, apps, software, computer and mobile, DVD player, telephone answer system, tablets, MP3, iPods, televisions, LCD menu, and other office software that we used in daily basis. Thank you.